There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Thursday, the 3rd of September. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather stays pretty quiet through the upcoming Labor Day weekend, but a pretty big change coming up in about a week. Here we go. The upper air look. We have a persistent trough north and west of the state. That produced a few severe storms around Memphis yesterday, but a ridge in place here, and that's going to stick around for a while, and a big upper high back in the west. The radar quiet early this morning, and most locations will stay dry today. Starting off the day mostly in the 70s. We note Aniana 66. Highs today should be in the low 90s in most spots, a little above average for this time of the year. There's a look at the current watch warning map around the country. Flash flood watches north of the state, parts of Kentucky and some of the adjacent states, also to the west around Dallas-Fort Worth. In the west, heating up. Excessive heat watches and warnings in effect there. An enhanced risk of severe weather today up around Washington, D.C. and Baltimore. Be a busy day for them. But down here, things are pretty quiet, mostly dry. This is tomorrow. No organized severe storms expected. And day 3, which is Saturday, a marginal risk over Iowa and some of the adjacent states. And we stay mostly dry. Rain for the next 7 days. The west is hot and dry. And really, we're pretty dry. This is showing nothing for a pretty good chunk of the state. I do think we'll start to see an increase in rain activity toward the middle of next week in advance of the long-awaited front that should bring some cooler air in 7 days. More about that later. Talk about the tropics. Omar is that junk system that is fizzling out in the Atlantic. Nana came in as a Category 1 hurricane last night on the coast of Belize. That's dissipating over Central America. Another wave will be coming off the coast of Africa soon, and one of the waves out there with a high chance of developing, the red zone there, highlighted by NHC, remains to be seen if that comes into the Caribbean or threatens the United States or the Gulf. Just something to watch for now. It's a long way out there. No tropical trouble for the United States over the Labor Day weekend. That's the good news. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run. 4 o'clock today. 591 upper high over us. Trough to the north, big upper high. 594 upper high over the western states. That'll be more of a heat maker for them. And for us, mostly sunny, low 90s. Any isolated showers near the Tennessee state line today. The rest of the state should be dry. Same thing tomorrow. Maybe a shower near the Tennessee state line. Most of the state partly sunny and hot with low 90s. This is Saturday. Heat levels come down a tick. Highs in the upper 80s. The air pretty dry. The sky should be sunny. Sunday, maybe a few showers for the southern half of the state. North Alabama should stay dry. Again, upper 80s. Monday, we'll mention just a few isolated showers. Again, most locations rain-free, upper 80s. And then Tuesday, this is when we think the chance of showers will be increasing. Wednesday, looking relatively wet with a front approaching, trailing from a surface low that's over Illinois. And look at Thursday, a week from today. Got a big old deep upper low near St. Louis and a good slot of cooler, drier air pushing in at this verifies, with the rain pushing off to the east. And that just might get us down in the upper 50s in spots by Thursday and Friday morning of next week, with highs only around 80. We'll go out 10 days. This is Saturday the 12th. Again, a trough axis a little to the west. And again, we stay in very nice, refreshing air if this verifies. Here's the rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. It shows basically nothing through Tuesday of next week, but then the numbers come up with the mean about an inch to an inch and a half. And you can see the heat levels coming on down late next week. Highs dropping in the low 80s off the national blend of models. Again, Birmingham showing low 60s, but away from the city, I fully expect to see some upper 50s late next week. And the CPC outlook, September 10th through the 16th. A lot of blue on that map over the central part of the country, of course, meaning temperatures below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call plumbing experts today.